really trust someone who leaves a 1-star review? Well, today we're about to find out. We're going to spend a little bit of time purchasing some of the worst reviewed items from Best Buy to find out, are they actually great? Or are people trying to warn you and you should listen and not walk toward the... I'm sorry, let's check it out, shall we? So after a surprisingly short wait, we have all of our items in from Best Buy. Ken, do you have any idea what we're looking at today?
No.
Cool. This is the Cat S62 Pro Next Gen Thermal. Wait, what? No. Has a thermal camera? I didn't see that on the listing.
Oh, it's the, like Caterpillar.
Yes.
Okay, so this is like a rugged phone.
I swear if you break this thing, oh God. You're gonna break our tripod.
Oh, I like that orange power button.
It's got the Pixel style fingerprint sensor on the back as well.
How much was this?
$650.
650. That's a lot of money. What did people say about it?
So 3 of them are about how it's not actually unlocked. One of them is about how it crashes and freezes, and the one is about how the power button fell off.
Okay, so those are some things we can test. Let's see, what if this thing's actually great? We're now into the interface. I'll say it's pretty stock looking. Like realistically, you've got like the standard Android stuff. 128 gigs of storage though, totally fine. Okay, you're not making that, wait, that's not actually the sound, is it? No, I just got a notification at the exact same time I took the photo. All right. So this is what 4K video looks like on the Cat S62 Pro. As you can see, it's having some problems with exposure. It keeps dimming and then brightening, but, and also the frame rate seems wildly off. Wow, that is terrible. Holy. All right, let's try the FLIR app. I'm actually excited for this one. Okay, this is what the video looks like. So you can see that Ken's toasty. Other things I can see in the video mode is that Jared is glowing with a warm aura. We also can see some of our recording equipment is warm, right? So you can't really spot it when you're looking at it normally, but the microphones and the recorder are all fairly warm, and it really pops out around the area. If you swipe down, you can see the actual phone.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's neat. Okay.
If you're, a contractor or something, you're walking around, you actually can see, like, oh, maybe this line is hot, or maybe the AC unit's frozen up or something, and you can just quickly spot it using the thermal camera. Look, this might be one of the worst reviewed products on Best Buy, but I'm actually kind of impressed. I don't know how durable it is. We have to do a little bit of testing to actually, no. Obviously, it's fine.
Can I run over it with my car?
Yes, you can run it over with it.
Oh, yeah.
You're good to go. Just go slow, though. Okay.
I felt it.
All right, you stopped?
Yep, stopped.
I mean,
Fine, right?
it's still on. Okay, I mean, it looks like it's in fairly good shape. The screen still works. Yo, that's a pass.
Is it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Wait. There's only one more thing we have to do.
What's that?
Huh.
Oh no. Oof, that was a very solid hit, but it is definitely still recording.
It's just dinged up now, right?
Honestly, totally fine. Thumbs up to the cat phone. Something tells me this is not packed particularly well. These are Google Pixel Buds.
Can I throw these in the garbage already?
They're not just regular Google Pixel Buds. Oh no, they're Geek Squad refurbished Google Pixel Buds. When we were looking at the reviews, they're saying that people found earwax in them.
Oh.
And then they were already paired, so it was like, Andrew's earwax is on here. I know because Andrew keeps trying to pair to Andrew's phone. Jared, how much should we pay for these?
We paid $115.
They make the Pixel Buds A, which are cheaper than this. It's literally, by the way, it's just packaging tape holding this together. It's not sealed in any way. Surprise, surprise. Oh, I actually see ear tips.
Well, that looks more or less new.
Yeah.
I can't imagine people that have owned these use them for that long.
But I mean, there's no earwax. I actually don't think these have been used. Or if they have, they've been cleaned. Good for a sign, I think. At least we didn't get earwax. I will say one thing. They are incredibly comfortable. It fits nicely in my ears with that little ear tip. These actually feel really nice though. Let me actually pair them because they're actually not pairing out of the box. It says it should just pop up if you're using Android. I've got a white light now. That seems like I'm making progress.
Just like every Pixel product, it's slowly disappointing me.
Oh, wait, hang on, here's the problem. It only sees the right one, it doesn't see the left one. It somehow paired with only one earbud.
Man,
Wait,
what a flawless experience.
Yeah, this is not good right now. It's really hard to judge just with one ear in though, because this one left one is just dead. Like it does absolutely nothing.
This is literally the Lance Armstrong of earbuds.
What?
I think only kids from like from like 1995 will get.
You definitely dating yourself on that one, friend. This next one's for you, Ken.
Wait, me?
Yeah.
It is? Is this another phone?
No.
Wait, it's a camera.
Maybe.
Is that a GoPro?
Stunned silence.
The Kaiser Bass. First of all, what a name. So this does not shoot MP4 video.
Wait, what?
It shoots MP $ video.
What? Wait, get over here.
Did they hold the shift key when they hit the number 4?
Oh my God.
These GoPro ripoffs usually go for like $100.
This was $70.
So this might not be bad for 70.
What? I like how he hears that and he goes,
The price
Sweet.
got lower, and he's like, that means it can only be a good product.
Look, I mean, like price to performance, right? Here's the actual camera.
This looks exactly like the last time I unboxed a GoPro.
It does. Oh, look at this, some mounts. We're gonna use this for our GoPro.
Our actual GoPro.
Yeah, because they will fit the same thing. So there are 2 buttons on the top and 2 buttons on the side. They are all the same finish and size, so good luck trying to figure out what anything does.
It also has a screen, which is a legitimate feature.
Yeah, GoPros didn't have that for a while.
Yep.
Now, to be fair, the cheapest GoPro on their website right now is $350. It's on sale for $280 right now.
What's the cheapest GoPro you can buy from Best Buy right now?
From Best Buy? Let's see. It's like $300.
What?
Yeah.
Well, let's fire it up. Let's see what if it's actually any good or not. Wait, can you get the micro SD in there? Because people are complaining about that in the reviews.
Ooh, oof.
I don't like those noises.
Oh, why are these ports so bad? Well, the SD card is working.
Okay.
That screen is terrible.
I can't see anything on camera.
Viewing angle? Look at the viewing angle on this. It just turns to white.
Yeah, I noticed.
Here's the thing. You can get a dash cam for $80 and plug it into a battery bank and have a better camera than
And strap it to your helmet.
You can. All right. So we are recording using the Kaiser Bass X230. Okay, so I tried plugging in the micro SD card from the camera onto my computer to see what the footage looks like, and we're running into a problem. So it is just not mounting properly. So I actually had to go into disk utility to see if it even mounted, and it sees it, but it's not letting us open it. It's exFAT2, so the formatting is, totally kosher for Mac OS, but it's just not showing me anything.
So when people are complaining about SD card issues, this is pretty clearly the issue here. Jared,
Yes, sir.
try this on Windows. See if this actually works. Because otherwise, this footage is just gone forever.
Oh, here we go. That's a video.
All right.
Rip the headphones off of me.
Oh God, that audio.
So we are recording using the Kaiser Bass X230. There's Austin Evans.
I mean, image quality looks dash cammy.
It looks like there's absolutely no stabilization.
You could do a lot better for 70. You can buy a smartphone for 70 and probably get better image quality.
So this particular product, I think by far, have the worst reviews of anything that we purchased. This is the MSI Aegis gaming desktop. Let me direct you to Exhibit A, which is, it's old. So it's got a Ryzen 7 3700X. So it's a older processor.
Ancient.
RX 5600 XT, older graphics card, 512 gigs of storage, 16 gigs of RAM. Now, this is probably, if I were to take a guess, a roughly 2019 spec of a system. That seems like what they would have been shipping then. However, we're buying this in 2022 for the grand total of $1,200 and change. If the reviews are accurate, some of these systems ship with a grave flaw.
A grave flaw.
A grave flaw. Power on your desktop, flip on your power supply switch. Important component. Apparently, some of these systems ship without a switch for the power supply, which means that they are completely unable to function. Seems strange to me.
Despite the fact there's like the blank for where the power switch would go, there is none. And apparently after plugging it in and everything, they couldn't get it to power on. Just to put it into perspective, this computer has 35 5-star reviews.
Yeah.
but it also has 83 one-star reviews.
Ooh, okay,
That's
yeah. That actually sounds like your worst.
And the reveal is...
Oh.
Oh my God.
Wait, really?
Yep.
Really?
No switch for the power supply.
Oh my God.
Wow.
No switch for the power supply. You're right, there's like a little blank where it should be.
It's a Delta 540 watt 80 plus bronze.
They couldn't afford the bronze sticker. That's okay.
It's just, yeah.
If this power supply works, this is acceptable. Although the price performance is still gonna be whack no matter what. Are we ready to fire it up and see if this thing actually works?
Yeah.
Here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Okay. Well, power supply is power supplying clearly. Pretty quiet too, actually.
Those RGBs look nice. What do they look like from the front?
You can see a little bit from the front.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There we go. It's firing right up into Windows.
Wow.
I mean, it's still weird that you don't have a switch on the back of the power supply when the instructions clearly tell you to turn on the switch for the power supply, but we have one more item that actually goes with this. Ken, I think you'll be especially excited for this one.
Will I?
Would you consider yourself to be a bit of a keyboard aficionado?
Oh no.
We bought the worst reviewed keyboard on Best Buy.
Oh, ew. Wait, so, hold on. Get the cable out, get the cable out. Damn, that's, wow. I can't believe someone said that that's a good idea. So, like, whenever I get, like, poster board from, like, Michaels or something, my first thing that I do is fold it the other way. Well,
A little bit.
I hope creasing it doesn't break it somehow. I mean, I know it's flexible, but I don't know if you're meant to like.
like
it's not
What
paper.
else? The worst case is it doesn't work anymore. The best case is it doesn't work anymore.
What do we think about this MSI system? If you get one of these in this DOA, that's obviously really unfortunate. You're better off buying a scalped aftermarket GPU than buying something like this.
You can buy this,
Yep.
this, for almost the same money.
I mean, yeah, that's a better idea. It's just too expensive.
Don't buy this crap.
Don't buy that. Definitely don't buy that. Holy. Ken, this right here, this particular item, was one of the best named products I've ever seen on BestBuy.com. This, my friend, is the Prestige Elite 10QH.
10-inch tablet.
The Visual Land Prestige Elite 10QH quad-core Android tablet. Okay, you'll see the tablet itself, which is impeccably high quality. Actually, you know what it looks like?
No, that's not high quality.
That's I'm being sarcastic. The fake leather tablet,
Oh, that's cute. Wow.
some high quality accessories.
This looks like I'm gonna write about all my past boyfriends.
Ken, we don't need to talk about that right now, okay? You have therapy for a reason. Does this not have magnets? How does this attach?
No, of course not.
Wait, but how does it attach then? Show me, Mr. Prestige Worldwide. It's so easy to just take your tablet off and use it as a tablet real quick.
I never said it was easy. I just wanted to do it because I don't trust you. This does not secure on.
I know.
How do they expect you to? What? Oh, you know what?
I hate that noise.
Oh, they just expect you to lean it on. Nope. I think they. I mean, that didn't work, but I think that's definitely what they were banking on. You just lean it on like that.
Oh yes, my super comfortable typing experience. Oh wait, let me just touch the screen. Oh.